I bet you're here because you want a better way to grow your business. Maybe you need a brand that stands out or a website that works, but you're not quite sure how to get there. And you're tired of wasting time and money on stuff that doesn't actually work. I get it. There is a lot of noise out there, so knowing what to do next can be really overwhelming. But you know what? Your potential clients are just as overwhelmed with all of that noise. Like you, they're struggling to pick a winner in a crowded market, and they're continually bombarded with information. Most websites are cluttered. And what happens with a cluttered website? People tune them out and forget them. Just think about it. If I played you a recording of a doorbell, a lawnmower, and a waterfall, you'd probably not remember them the following day. But if I played you a really catchy tune, it could get stuck in your head for days. For example, why do you build me up, buttercup baby, just to let me down and mess me around? I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. By following a set of rules, the noise becomes music. It becomes something beautiful, and most importantly, memorable. Your website is no different. When you fine-tune your website, you filter out the noise and connect with clients emotionally. And it's not as hard as you think. There are just two things to do. First, filter out the clutter. And second, combine clear words with clean design. This 1-2 combo is the difference between just another pretty website and one that works. I use a simple but effective method that helps owners communicate clearly and increase profitability. Give me a call and we'll put together a plan to help you grow.